Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So today I'm coming at you today with a wig review, and this is like a quick glueless wig install. So guys, this hair comes from MegaLook hair. This is their 4x4 lace closure wig. This is 180% density and it is in 24 inches. As you can see, this hair was so easy to work with, and I love it. Like, this is the longest hair I've ever had, like purchased, ever wore. You know, usually I'm kind of like 16, 14, 12, but this is the 24. So this is the longest hair I've ever worn, ever put in my hair. So I love it. Again, it was easy to work with. All I used was some water and some leave-in conditioner. I didn't even use the mousse. The water seemed to have done the trick to help detangle the wig. And I just put a little bit of concealer in the part. I did take the Got to Be glue just to kind of just secure this little part of lace. I didn't go through with no baby hairs because that's I'll be trying, but I don't even want to ruin this video. I don't even want to ruin this wig, so I didn't even go into that. Shipping for this hair, it was pretty fast. Definitely 5 to 7 business days, and my wig was here. Now sometimes, like, I'm like the body wave texture type hair person, so this was definitely a change. Not to say I haven't worn like a deep wave wig, but this is just not my preference. But I definitely love this hair, and I think I love it more because it is long. I think that's another reason. So this hair kind of like stretch all the way out, come to like my waist. So it's pretty long, so I like that. And as you can see, you see how just dry, how big this hair gets. Like, if you're looking for that type of feel, know this hair does this. And this is what it's like when it's tamed and damped and brushed, and it's everything. I like it more tamed. Once this dries up a little bit, I'm sure it's gonna get a little, as you can see, it's getting a little more, like, I don't want to say fluffy, but it's not as straight as it would be if it was wet. So I kind of like the fact that it's getting a little dry, it's getting a little puffy, and the hair is like kind of starting to shrivel up a little bit. I do love that look as well. But guys, if you're looking for a nice deep wave hair, definitely check out MegaLook. I love their hair. I haven't had any disappointments from any wig I've ever purchased from them. Again, this video is not sponsored. These are my true feelings. These are I've spent my real money, my own money on these wigs that I've done for MegaLook, or, you know, that I like to wear. I definitely purchased them myself. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice affordable wig, this wig was under $200, and this is a 24-inch 4x4 lace closure wig. Definitely check them out, and they also have other styles. So I will definitely link their website and the link to this hair in the description box below. Guys, I'm about to go be cute and go take some pictures, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.